So for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to fix your Cash App failed for my protection error. So first, check your internet connection and make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable if you're using this. And then, you just have to verify your account by clicking the profile icon on your Cash App and then just go to personal and complete identity verification with your name, date of birth, and SSN. And then, you just have to check the payment details and ensure that the recipient's informations and link bank or even card details are also correct. Or maybe you can just update your Cash App by going to the Play Store or App Store if you use iPhones or iOS and just click the update if Cash App is available. And just simply clear cache it by navigating to your settings, and then you just have to click the apps and just find the Cash App and then just select storage and cache, and then you can just proceed to clear cache. Also, you can check your balance and ensure that you have sufficient balance in your Cash App balance or even in linked account. And then you can also contact their customer support by tapping your profile icon and navigating to the support. And then you can just submit a ticket and describe your issue. Also, you can try different payment methods if you use a different card or your Cash App balance. And to avoid suspicious activity, do not use VPNs, especially fake names, for you to be able to use this and won't get any issues. And that's how you fix your Cash App failed for my protection error.